Never before seen S23 series rugged case leaks in renders. Are we talking about first party like Samsung?
I think so.
Imagine people don't know the Samsung joke, and then they're sitting here and they're like, why do they keep saying Samsung?
Yeah.
Like, what is wrong?
Obviously Samsung. Jeez.
Yeah, that would be so irritating.
These guys.
That was Tim Cook responsible for Samsung. And probably a clip or a meme somewhere out there. Because they're so insignificant to him, he can't even say it right. He's like, I don't even know what you're talking. Are you talking about Samsung? They're like, what did you say, sir? Did you say Samsung? He's like, I don't know what you just said to me.
I got to find that clip.
We've already seen a bunch of case designs for the upcoming Galaxy S23 leaked in leaked renders, but at least one new model slipped through the cracks and remained hidden until now. What you see in the renders above and below is the S23 rugged gadget case with stand. I don't mind it. I mean, if you're going to go rugged, like embrace it and just be rugged. Just forget about being sleek at all. Although, that little clip thing at the bottom there is maybe a bit. No, not that. I'm talking about in the corner, top corner. There you go. There you go. It's like,
well, maybe it's trying to replace the active. Remember?
But look at that. What am I supposed to do? Put it on a carabiner? What am I doing?
Yeah.
Oh, good
exactly.
Lord. What am I climbing now? Do I have chalk on my waist? What's going on?
It's going to get dirty.
As per the official name, this case was designed to offer maximum protection for the S23. The case has rugged construction with thick bumpers to protect the phone. The case has ridged edges for improved grip and an intricate pattern of gray back panel. It's unclear if the rugged gadget case and stand will be available in more color options. Prices are also unknown. Wow. I mean, it looks like an absolute beast. It does look like that is some sort of carabiner clip. Or I guess you could wear it on a lanyard. And who knows, maybe that's exactly what somebody needs in some sort of harsh environment. And maybe it's detachable. I'm not certain. It looks like it's only available in black. I am seeing it for, what is that? Is that the regular S23? Are we supposed to know this by now? Which model is that?
Maybe the S23 Plus?
Maybe it's the Plus. It looks like it's, those, actually no, it's showing off different sizes. Maybe it'll be available for all of them. Anyways, yes, Unpack 2023 is coming very soon. There you go. I took it apart. Take that, Mo. Take that. And Mo's just walking around, going back and forth. What is it, a fancy lunch? Like, what's going on here? Okay, here he comes. And what is this he's got? Oh, he got chips again. You can't give me these chips, dude. Get away from me with those. I'll eat the whole thing, and then he's gonna yell at me.
I will.
See? Take it with you. No, take that with you, dude. You can't leave that type of thing over here. I'm going to be crunching on the microphone. There's a thing for that, Will. You know, people get very sensitive about that.
Yeah.
What is it?
Eat it afterwards. That'll be your tasty treat.
Some kind of phobia, dysphoria, like whatever. That's what it's Mo's still not gone, and he's shouting now.
I just remembered what it's called.
Yeah.
He's shouting, and he's not gone. And he really wishes he was sitting over there, except he refuses to sit over there. So, well, he can just shout from over there. I guess he prefers. Don't worry, I will not be having. I'll have a chip later. I'll save the chip for later.
Yeah.